Right everyone, so the day has arrived for the Mercedes to be MOT'd. This is going to be interesting. The car's not looking too bad. It did fail its MOT today. I'll put a screenshot of what it failed on now. Not too horrendous though, really. Exhaust emissions, but we're thinking that's a leaking vacuum pipe because the engine's a little down on power. And then it needs a small spot weld underneath the car, and then obviously the ABS light is on. But today we're tackling this. You can see now there's a torque screw there and another one there. And then two on this side, which hopefully stay. I'll be able to get out and take this old glass panel off, and then once that glass panel's off I can put the new glass in. Yeah, so the sunroof is a bit of a mess. I'm just loosening the screws now, one by one, very slowly. Yeah, so 4 of them, and hopefully this whole glass panel, yeah, you can see there, it's going to take some doing to try and get out. So I've managed to open this panel here, and now I can get to undoing the last couple of bolts. Yeah, so as you can see the sunroof is out, and what we're going to do now is get the remaining piece of glass out of here, and then I can put the new sunroof over the top. So just cleaned the new panel and I'll be fitting it. It's not in bad shape at all. I just hope that the seal keeps water out, and yeah, we should be good to go. So just put the sunroof in. Does need to be sealed up though, but I just needed something there so it would stop making a horrible noise. So I've got new mats to go in, which will finish off the interior nicely. There you go. Putting the carpets in it, make it look so much better. How smart that looks.